guys, welcome back to Stephie Creates. Today is journal with me. I want to do a page in here, in this journal. I had found this ink dyed paper page that I had already done. So we're gonna do this page. I was looking for paper and I came across this, and I thought it would be perfect. I did go ahead and pick her out and I fussy cut her already. And then I was going through my old jelly prints and I found this one and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna use some elements from this. That is all I've picked out so far. I'm not quite sure what direction I'm gonna go in. But I thought she was really cool, especially like right there. It like, I don't know, kind of fits her shape perfectly, right there. Yeah, let's go ahead and glue her down because I'm pretty sure. Wow, those are nice words on the back. Just really solidifies what I want to do. Okay. Make sure she's on there. Alright, she's perfect. I think I'm just gonna go for it and see how this turns out. Okay, so here is the journal page. I still have to put holes in it, so hopefully it doesn't put holes where I have words. But anyway, this is how it turned out. I like it. It's not what I was thinking I was gonna do, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I think it's still cute. I really love the way that looks. It almost looks like fabric. So I think I might try that on jelly printing again. But anyway, this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this journal with me, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and commenting and sticking around. Alright, you guys have a good one. See ya. Bye.